So today I'm going to show you how to make an easy autumn silverware holder, which is good for autumn parties or even Thanksgiving. So for this one I used the sleeves that were left over from the Jack Sparrow vest that I made, so it's a good way to use up old scrap fabric. And so you just want to cut a square out of whatever fabric you're using. In this case I'm using the front part of the sleeve. And then you want to cut a rectangle that's big enough to accommodate silverware. So lay out the rectangle and then lay your square over the top of it. You just want to hot glue around the three sides, both sides and the bottom, leaving the top open. And then hot glue some embellishments to the front. I'm using a silk maple leaf. And then I glued on a few strands of wheat right on top of that. And then I did some pumpkins on a stick, some dried pumpkins on a stick right on top of that. You can use whatever you have, but this is what I had. So then I took a scrap of autumn ribbon and I glued that across the front, covering up the stems of everything. And then just put a little glue on the edges and fold those right around the back. And so then just slide in your silverware and you've got yourself an easy, reusable autumn silverware holder, which you can use for Halloween or autumn parties or Thanksgiving. And the one thing you don't want to do is use bittersweet on the front of it, because bittersweet berries are poisonous, so you don't want that mixing with food.